What's up, you guys? Professor NFT here today. So before we get into it, remember this is not financial advice, and you should always, and I mean always, do your own research. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So we have the suites. They are actually releasing tomorrow. So I really love this project. First of all, because I am a sports guy. I love sports. I love betting on them as well as I love playing them. So the suites are pretty much a virtual suite where you and your friends could watch live stream of sports all in their metaverse. So they are actually minting at 2.2 SOL. So the team, pretty much Third Time Inc. They aim to create a community-driven metaverse that allows players to earn suite tokens while hanging out, playing games, making wagers, and watching live events. As you can see on their website here, they have a total supply of 4,932 suites available at mint, 4,444 club suites, 444 executive suites, and 44 owner suites as well. So the primary difference between each suite is the max occupancy, 68 special, 68 special collection private suites are being held for VIPs to be utilized for marketing purposes. And unfortunately, whitelist is already closed. So next we have their project roadmap here. So phase 1, we got the idea generation, social media setup, team hiring. So they pretty much already did that. So phase 2 is the NFT launch. They're going to be featured on Magic Eden. This is the time they are coming out in. Phase 3, private suite release, live streaming, and their own token suite. So it's going to be a play to earn game prototype. And phase 4, we have their token game release, external streaming partner, sweet token idol, and new future advancement. So let me tell you guys as well, the next thing is the main reason I'm feeling real bullish in this project. The team they have behind, you could see right here, their team is fully doxed. The team is a group of some well-known professionals. They are legit guys. So I know their founder pretty much, Ian Cummings. He was actually a former Madden NFL creative director and FanDuel design director. So we hop on their Discord here. Unfortunately, like I said, the whitelist is already closed. And let me show you guys actually a pretty cool thing in their demo. They actually have a demo of suites here. Let's go ahead and connect to it. Hopefully it loads fast. All right, let's go full screen. This is their demo, so it's pretty cool. I really, that's pretty cool for a project to give us. So as we know in the Solana space, not many projects give us a demo. So this, let me show you as well in their Discord. So in their announcements here, I was looking at it, and they have some pretty good collabs going on as well. So let me go ahead and show you guys. So you see Sportline Private Suite. They have it's a CVS company providing premium picks and fantasy advice. They have to Alan Halilovic. And then they have also, let's see who they have here. FTX. There's a VIP list, headdao, Fantasia. So they have some pretty good collabs. So they're actually releasing at 23:59 UTC. So in my time, I'm actually in Pacific Standard Time. They'll be releasing at 3:59 p.m. I'm going to go ahead and leave a link to their Discord in the description below. I'm super bullish on this, guys. Honestly, I really think this will moon for sure. So the next project I got for you guys is Mutant Dogs Academy. So let me go ahead here and show you their their website actually. Let me show you their website. So Mutant Dogs Academy. So the art, The art it seems cool. And I also like where the team is going with this project. Let me show you guys on the Discord here, the roadmap. There we go. All right, so I like how the roadmap looks, especially post mint. And it looks like their team would actually be doxed as well before mint. So if the team delivers on their promises here, I don't see why this project should even fail. They have a low supply as well. So they have a supply of 555 and they have a bunch of hype around it as well. You see their Discord has around 23k members and the price is to be announced. They haven't announced the price yet. So for sure I'm going to be keeping my eye on this as well. It comes out on the 1st of February. All right, so I do want to mention this before I go. Everyone who is watching this, please don't go aping on every project you see on YouTube. Do your own research because there's always a possibility of a rug pull. Okay, so only invest money that you're okay with losing. Yes, some NFTs can give you some huge gains, but some are risky as hell. That's all I gotta say. Go ahead and join my Discord. I got a few members already that joined. And also go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll be posting more Solana NFT content. And until next time, I'll catch you guys later. See ya.